Alright guys, check this out. The glorious Kailh copper switches. I just got my hands on a 120 pack, and let me tell you, these things are seriously cool. If you're into customizing your keyboard, building a new one, or just want to upgrade your current setup, you need to check these out. First off, there's speed tactile switches. What does that mean? Basically, they're designed for speed. They have a super short pre-travel distance, so you barely have to press down before they actuate. This is a game changer for gaming, where every millisecond counts, but honestly, it's amazing for typing too. I've been using them for a few days now, and my typing feels so much faster and more responsive. These bad boys have a 40G actuation force, which is pretty light. It means they don't require a lot of pressure to press down, which helps reduce fatigue during those long gaming sessions or coding marathons. They're also incredibly smooth, with a satisfying tactile bump that lets you know exactly when the key is registered. It's not too clicky, not too mushy, just right. It's that Goldilocks zone of tactile feedback. Now, the best part? They're hot swappable. This is huge for anyone who likes to tinker with their keyboards. You can easily swap these in and out without any soldering. It's a breeze to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for you. They're compatible with most PCBs, so you shouldn't have any compatibility issues. And let's not forget the aesthetics. These copper switches look absolutely stunning. They add a touch of elegance to any keyboard build. Plus, they're SMD LED compatible, so you can customize your backlighting and create a truly personalized setup. Imagine the possibilities. So, who are these switches for? Well, gamers will definitely appreciate the speed and responsiveness. But honestly, anyone who types a lot will benefit from these. Whether you're a programmer, a writer, or just someone who spends a lot of time on their computer, these switches can make a real difference. They're comfortable, responsive, and they look great. The 120 pack is perfect for full-size keyboards, or even if you just want to have some spares on hand. It's a great value for the price, especially considering the quality and performance you're getting. Overall, I'm super impressed with the glorious Kailh copper switches. They're fast, responsive, and easy to install. They look fantastic, and they've significantly improved my typing experience. If you're looking for a high-quality tactile switch, definitely give these a try. You won't be disappointed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.